If you run a business in the United States and hire freelancers, designers, or independent contractors, the IRS requires you to track what you pay them. If you pay someone more than $600 in a year, you have to issue them a 1099 form at tax time. Trying to dig through a year of scattered receipts to figure out who hit that $600 mark is a nightmare. Today, I'll show you how to set up QuickBooks to track your 1099 contractors automatically all year long. Let's get this set up. QuickBooks actually has a dedicated dashboard just for this. Look over at your left-hand menu and click on All Apps to open up your full system menu. From there, head into the Expenses and Bills section, and then click on Contractors. This is your command center for anyone who isn't a W-2 employee. To add someone, click the Add a Contractor button. Now, you could manually type in their business name and tax ID number. But here is one of the best time-saving features in QuickBooks. Just enter their name and email address, and check the box that says, Email this contractor to complete their profile. When you hit Add Contractor, QuickBooks sends them a secure, encrypted link where they fill out their own W-9 tax details and even input their bank routing and account number. They do the data entry, and it automatically syncs straight into your books. If your contractor prefers to just hand you a physical W-9 form, no problem. When you are adding them in your regular vendors list, just scroll down to the Additional Info section, type in their Social Security or tax ID number, and make absolutely sure you check the box that says Track Payments for 1099. If you forget to check this box, none of their payments will show up on your year-end reports. Throughout the year, whenever you write a check or log an expense for this person, just select their name as the payee. You also need to make sure you select an expense category that is mapped for 1099s, like contractor services or professional fees. As long as the 1099 box is checked on their profile, QuickBooks will quietly tally up every single dollar you pay them in the background. Fast forward to January when tax season rolls around. You don't have to calculate anything yourself. Just head back to this contractor's dashboard and click the Prepare 1099s button. QuickBooks will instantly generate a list of every contractor who crossed that $600 threshold and let you print or electronically file their tax forms with a few clicks. If this quick guide helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.